Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and signing in. First, back up your device to iCloud or to a computer. This protects photos and app data. Once done, verify you know your Apple ID password and have your two-factor devices nearby because verification codes are required. Next, open Settings on your iPhone or visit Appleid. Apple, Com and sign in. Make sure to sign out of non-essential apps that store Apple ID cookies, so changes propagate cleanly across services. Now you change the Apple ID email and update recovery details. On Appleid, Apple, Com or in Settings, choose Edit and change Apple ID, then type the new email. Apple sends a verification code to that address. Enter the code to confirm. This prevents losing access. After confirming, add an alternate or rescue email and review trusted phone numbers so you can recover the account later. Also make sure subscriptions, family sharing, and payment methods reflect the updated address, so purchases and shared content keep working. Finish by signing out and back in on every device to refresh credentials and iCloud sync. This includes Mac, iPad, Apple TV, and any browsers. Make sure Keychain, Mail, and the App Store accept the new address and update payment info if needed. Test iCloud Drive and Find My to confirm continuity. If you hit a verification problem, restart devices, clear stored sign-in sessions or cookies, and try again. If issues persist, contact Apple ID support for account-specific recovery help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.